Now we'll move on to theme button 2 and repeat the same process. We will change the x-axis dimension on each button. So we'll go to Edit, select the normal image, we'll go to the initial state, and we will change down to 2 frames. And that initial state, once again, 133, 280. In both frames. Focus in, first frame, focus image, starting in the initial position, 133, 280. 10th frame to the rising position, 200, 100. Seeing it in action, that's what we want. Move the focus out, move the normal image, starting in the rising position of 200, 100. 10th frame, back into its initial position of 133, 280. Showing us dropping back down to our normal position. Activate. Once again, reduce to 2 frames. Choose the focus image. Both frames in the rising position of 200, 100. Go back into scene mode. Find our animation. Bring it back into position. And we are looking for 133, 100. And there we have it. What that is saying is we're back into our original state. We're going back up into the riser. That's actually the dimensions of this box. This is what it amounts to in the animation area. Check it in the preview. Looks good. Move on to theme button number 3. Go to Edit. Once again, find the normal image. Change from 10 frames to 2 in the initial state. And the X was 267, Y at 280. Both frames. Focus in, focus image, starting in the initial position, 267, 280. 10th frame, we're going to the riser, 200, 100. Check out the animation. Looks like it's just what we want it to do. Focus out, go back to the focus image, or the normal image I should say. Go to the riser position to start with, 200, 100. In the 10th frame, finishing in the normal position of 267 by 280. Back in the activate once again, 10th frame, change to 2. Select the focus image. Both frames at the riser position of 200, 100. Excuse me. Go back to the scene. Find our box, bring it back up in, get our icon back in position. We're looking for a position of 200 to 100 on this third. because the position of this icon is more direct in line vertically. The box is smaller, and your position is changed now to 200, 100. Check it in the preview. Looks good. Move on to theme button number 4. Go to Edit, Normal Image. Change the frame in the initial state down to 2. Position we are looking for is 400 by 280, both frames. Focus in, focus image, starting in the normal image position of 400 by 280. 10th frame in the rising position of 200 by 100. Animation looks good. Focus out, normal image, riser position to start with, 200, 100, finishing in an initial state of 400 by 280. Animation as we see it, returning to the normal position, activate once again from 10 to 2 frames. Select the focus image, both frames being at the rising position of 200, 100. Scene mode once again. Bring this back into the canvas. We are looking for 200, 100 once again in the XY axis. Look at the preview, all looks good. And that is the rising dog. I will include a simulator video as well, showing you how this works on the simulator or on your device. So we will now go to File, Save As. In this case, I will save it into my composer files. And I will export the SVG file to the same place. I will save this document. And that is the conclusion of the Rising Dog tutorial.